Good morning, students. So let's start with the miscellaneous illustrations. Take down illustration 1. The following series shows marks in statistics of 9 students in class 11. Find the median marks. So they have given us marks. So the first column will be serial number and next column will be marks. There are total of 9 students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. First step is to arrange it in ascending order. What is the lowest value? It is 13. Then we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22 and 23. So how do we find median? M is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2 item. So 9 plus 1 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2, that is fifth item. Go to the table, what is the fifth item? It is 18. Therefore, median is equal to 18. Next, take down illustration 3. Following are the marks obtained by a batch of 10 students in certain class tests in statistics and accountancy. In which subject is the level of knowledge of students higher? So they have not asked us, we have to find mean, median or mode. But they have asked us in which subject is the level of knowledge of student higher. So we need to find out the median. So first column will be roll number. Then we have statistics, that is X. Then we have accountancy, that is Y. How many students we have? We have total of 10 students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. First statistics arranged from ascending to descending order. First 28, 30, 32, 35, 46, 47, 60, 62, 63 and 64. Then we have accountancy, again arrange it into ascending to descending order. 26, 33, 35, 42, 66, 44, 66, 68, 72, 80 and 85. Next, what is the formula for median? Median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2 item, that is 10 plus 1 divided by 2, 5.5 item. So median in X is nothing but statistics. They have given us 5.5. So whenever it is in decimals, how do we find the median? It is between 5 and 6. So size of fifth item plus size of sixth item divide by 2. Go to statistics, fifth and sixth, that is 46 and 47. 46 plus 47 divided by 2. 93 divided by 2, that is 46.5 marks. Then we have to find median of Y. Y is nothing but accountancy. Again 5.5. So size of fifth item plus size of sixth item divide by 2. Go to accountancy. Fifth and sixth is 44 and 66. So 44 plus 66 divided by 2, that is 110 divided by 2, 55 marks. So what is the question? They have asked us in which subject is the level of knowledge of students higher. So marks of accountancy is more than statistics. So the knowledge of accountancy in students is higher. Write down next line. Conclusion. Median marks of accountancy in bracket Y are more than that of statistics in bracket X, full stop. Therefore, level of knowledge of students is higher in accountancy. Clear? Take down next illustration, that is illustration 4. Calculate median from the following. They have given us size and they have given us frequency. So this is a discrete series. What do we need to do? We need to find out cumulative frequency. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Frequency 2, 5, 12, 20, 10, 7 and 3. So cumulative will be 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 20, 39, 39 plus 10, 49, 49 plus 7, 56, 56 plus 3, 59. N is 59. So how do we find median? Median is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2 item. So 59 plus 1 divided by 2, 60 divided by 2, 30th item. Go to the cumulative frequency. 30th is in cumulative frequency 39. So what will be the median? Median is equal to 16. Next, take down illustration 5. The following table gives the marks obtained by some students. Calculate the median marks obtained by the students. So they have given us marks and number of students. So this is frequency distribution. Marks has been given, number of students. So marks 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45. They have given us frequency 6, 12, 17, 30, 10, 10, 8, 5 and 2. Next column is cumulative frequency 6, 6 plus 12, 18, 18 plus 17, 35, 35 plus 30, 65, 65 plus 10, 75, 75 plus 10, 85, 85 plus 8, 93, 93 plus 5, 98, 98 plus 2, 100. N is equal to 100. So median is equal to size of n by tooth item. 100 divided by 2, that is 50th item. Go to the cumulative frequency. 50th item is 65. So median class is, so write down in the next line, 50th item lies in the 65th cumulative frequency and the corresponding median class is 15 to 20. So what is the formula for median? L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. Modal class is 15 to 20. So lower limit is 15. N by 2 is 100 by 2. Cumulative frequency is previous cumulative frequency, that is 35, and frequency will be 30. Minus 35 divided by 30 into 5. 15 plus 50 minus 35 divided by 30 into 5. 5 ones are 5 6 are. 15 plus 15 divided by 6. 15 plus 2.5, that is 17.5. Therefore, median is equal to 17.5. Next, we have illustration 6. Calculate median from following data. They have given us less than data and number of students. So we need to convert it into class interval. So first column will be marks. Then we have cumulative frequency is already given. We have to find frequency. So less than 10. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. They have given us cumulative frequency, that is 4, 16, 40, 76, 96, 112, 120, 125. How do we find the frequency? First one will be as it is, that is 4. Then we have 16 minus 4, 12. 40 minus 16, 24. 76 minus 40, 36. 96 minus 76, 20. 112 minus 96, 16. 120 minus 112, 8. 125 minus 120 is 5. So what is summation? F, or it can also be N. It is 125. M is equal to size of N by 2 item. 125 divided by 2, 62.5th item. Go to the cumulative frequency, it is 30 to 40. So we have median class 30 to 40. What is the formula? M is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. CF will be 40, frequency will be 36. So L1 is 30 plus 125 divided by 2 minus 40 divided by 36 into 10. 30 plus 62.5 minus 40 divided by 36 into 10. 30 plus 22.5 divided by 36 into 10. 30 plus 6.25, that is 36.25. Therefore, median is equal to 36.25. Clear? Next, take down illustration 9. Compute median from the following. They have given us mid value and they have given us frequency. So how can we find out the class limit? Lower limit is equal to M minus half into I. So M is 5 minus half, and what is the width? It is 10. So 5 minus 5, 0. So first lower limit is 0. What will be the upper limit? It is M plus half into I. 5 plus half into 10. 5 plus 5, 10. So the first class interval upper limit is 10 and lower limit is 0. So how can we obtain the remaining class intervals? Class interval frequency, cumulative frequency 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. We also know the frequency, that is 15, 7, 11, 10, 13, 8, 20, 16. N is equal to 100. 15, 15 plus 7, 22, 22 plus 11, 33, 33 plus 10, 43, 43 plus 13, 56, 56 plus 8, 64, 64 plus 20, 84, 84 plus 16 is 100. M is equal to size of N by 2th item. 100 by 2, that is 50th item. So in the cumulative frequency it is 40 to 50 is the median class. Therefore, median class is 40 to 50. As the 50th item lies in the 56 cumulative frequency. So what is the formula? M is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. Cumulative frequency will be 43, frequency is 13. So 40 plus 100 by 2 minus 43 divided by 13 into 10. 40 plus 50 minus 43 divided by 13 into 10. 40 plus 7 by 13 into 10. 40 plus 5.38, that is 45.38. Next, let's go on to illustration 10. Find the missing frequency of the group 20 to 30 when the median is 28. So they have given us class interval and frequency 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. They have given us frequency 5, 8, F, 16 and 6. So what will be N? 35 plus F. Next we find cumulative frequency 5, 13, 13 plus F, 29 plus F, 35 plus F. Median is what? 28. So it lies in which class interval? 20 to 30. Write down in the next line. Since median is 28, it lies in the class interval 20 to 30. So what is the formula? M is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. Median is 28, lower limit is 20 plus N is 35 plus F divided by 2. Cumulative frequency is minus 13. Frequency we don't know, it will be F. What is the width? 10. So 28 minus 20 is equal to 35 plus F minus 13 divided by F into 10. So 8, F will go that side. F is equal to 35 plus F minus 13 into 10. So for this we need to take the LCM of 13. So 8F is equal to 35 plus F minus 26 divided by 2 into 10. So 16F is equal to 35 minus 26 is how much? 9 plus F into 10. 16F is equal to 90 plus 10F. 6S is equal to 90. F is equal to 90 by 6, that is 15. Therefore, missing frequency, that is F, is equal to 15. Clear? In missing frequency, we just need to substitute everything and get the answer. So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.